Hi guys, my name is Tori with Up and Out Adventures, and I'm here to show you one of the simplest swaps you guys can make for all of your Girl Scouting adventures. So this is a cute little sleeping bag. So swaps are something you guys can make and take with you to camp and trade them with your new friends when you guys meet with other troops and fun stuff like that. So today we're gonna make a sleeping bag one. So what you guys will need is a 1 inch by 7 inch piece of felt, 2 cute little rubber bands, a large safety pin, and a little tag that just says what you guys are doing. So if you're going to a specific event, you can write that event. For this one today, we just wrote Camp Fun in 2021. So you're gonna start by placing your felt lengthwise away from you, and you're gonna roll it up just like you would your sleeping bag at camp. At the end, you should have something that looks like this. Then you're going to take your rubber bands and you're going to put one on each side. Now that looks like a little sleeping bag. So you're going to take your safety pin, be careful that you don't prick yourself with the end. And you're going to unhook it, and you're going to take the end with the pin, the safety part, and you're going to slip it through the top layer of the felt. So it's going to look just like that. And you want to do it this way, that way you can take it on and off of your vest or whatever you're wearing, in order, it just makes it a little bit easier for you guys, and you don't have to take the whole thing apart every time you do it. So next you're going to take your little tag, you're going to pop it onto the end of the safety pin, and you're going to go ahead and close it. And that's it. You're done. So you can make a bunch of these. You can use different colors, all kinds of different fun stuff, and really personalize it. Go ahead and pin it to my shirt here. I'm gonna put it over my heart because I love camping. And it looks just like that. Bye guys, have fun, show us all your fun creations, and make sure that you guys tag us in Up and Out Adventures.